Hi everyone. So if you're learning AI ML or something, right? I probably 90% sure that your syllabus is trash. If you're in college, university or somewhere, or you're taking any online course or something, right? Your syllabus is fucking trash. That you should understand. They are very outdated or something, right? So when you start learning AI ML, right, you'll start with some basic linear algebra, calculus, and this kind of thing, right? And then maybe this will be not also theirs. The stupid people without prerequisites just start with AI. So they will be introduced with naive based algorithm, decision trees, and these all thing, right? But SVMs and these all kind of thing, right? But if you really wanted to excel in field of AI, quick and fast, really fast, right? Like if you are somebody student who is in third year and immediately wants a job, or who is already is trying to switch the current job and to go into AI ML, the fastest way I will tell you is to skip few things. What you can skip is basically you can start with your basics should be understanding a matrix manual linear algebra, right? Then you should know, even not that is required initially. It will require you have to understand calculus, the slopes and these kind of thing, right? Then you have to understand how derivatives and derivatives work, right? You can understand. Then from there you can understand about maxima minima, application of maxima minima, right? From maxima minima you can understand how you can optimize any function, right? Once you understand optimization, that is basically AML. So now once you understand optimization, you can understand linear regression, logistic regression, and if you follow on, then you can understand how you can do for multi-class classification, right? From there you can understand how a neural network works, normal neural network, right? From there you can understand about how RNN works. From there you can understand about CNN, right? And then you can go attention, then transformer, then this big language model, how chat GPT works, this kind of thing. But if you are just stuck, so why I told you to not learn naive based decision tree and these kind of thing, other algorithms, right? So these are probabilistic algorithms, right? They use probability to solve this kind of thing, right? And the the other models with the AI models are basically, if you see that, that's basically calculus based, optimization based, right? That is, they are also optimization, but kind of different thing, right? So you can skip those kind of thing for now, right? Even you can skip SVM for now, right? Once you have gone through this part, then when you understand, then you can come back and learn about decision tree, because those are alternate to this neural network and everything, right? They are also classifiers. They are also, they can do the same. So neural network can do all these things which other algorithms would do, right? With some percentage up and down with their accuracy, but it will do. But what happens when you learn linear regression, logistic regression, neural network, that is basis for your higher thing, right? The actual application which you're gonna build for a company or whatever. So those are bases, right? A lot of things are built on top of it. It's like basically you learn assembly language, or you can learn understand compiler, then big thing, then you can make big framework. But naive base are they basically, these are different branches, and that branch doesn't go too far. That stops over there only. So I will not recommend going in a path which has a dead end at some point. So basically go to this route when you are efficient over there, and then you want to explore, you want to compare, then you can come back and learn a little more about SVM, how SVM is a little different than normal. Then you can come and understand about decision trees, and then naive Bayes and other algorithm. Then you can go to super unsupervised learning, then PCA, LDA, and this kind of thing as well. Right, but if you start with the path of neural network, there is a lot of, like, that's a building block of bigger thing, and that will take you to a lot of things which you can learn easily. Like, it's like they are linked list to each other. Once you learn this thing, that opens the door for another algorithm. Once you understand this, that opens the door for another algorithm. So that is my recommendation to you guys. For me, how can I come and tell this thing? I have experience of 2 3 years teaching to people data science. I have like 4 to 5 year experience in AI and machine learning, right? From there, I'm currently transitioned into quantum machine learning and quantum computing. For that, I have won a competition in Europe. For that, I was invited to 5 countries to present that algorithm. Basically, that algorithm kind of beats the classical computer in terms of speed and accuracy, with how faster it goes, right? And that software was for satellites, the satellite which Earth observation which orbit over there. So I think you can take my advice. I feel like if I was a younger version of me and somebody of this caliber spoke to me, I would have taken it. Basically, I'll make a detailed video describing all these things. So I hope you have subscribed, and we'll see you in the next video.